Yawn. We all do it. But why? Let's uncover the science in under 60 seconds. We yawn when we're tired, bored, or even when we see someone else yawn. It's contagious. Theory 1. Brain air conditioning. One big theory? Brain cooling. Deep breaths pull in cool air, lowering brain temperature to keep you alert. Theory 2. Empathy and social bonding. Contagious yawns are linked to empathy. Mirror neurons in your brain make you copy others. It's subconscious bonding. Fun fact, animals yawn too. Even unborn babies yawn in the womb. It's ancient biology. Next time you yawn, thank your brain for trying to cool off, or your empathy for kicking in. Hit like if you learned something. Subscribe for more quick science.